Everyone uses flour for making cakes. We have today got you an Easter treat from across the globe. It's a rice flour cake. Sounds different? I promise you, it tastes awesome. Hello and welcome to J&J's Food Basket. Here's another unique one from our repertoire of recipes. This is the best fluffy and soft rice flour cake, also known as Vattyappam. And why is it the best, you may ask? I am using whipped egg whites to give it the fluffy pillow-like texture. You can use the time code to jump to the section if you like. Even if you think you cannot cook, just follow along with our video because we bring easy recipes that help you make tasty food using ingredients from your own kitchen. Happy cooking! So yes, this cake is sweet, it's steamed, and it's gluten-free. Thank you for watching this video. You will find the list of ingredients in the description box below. Hope you enjoy the recipe. Do try it out. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to J&J's Food Basket.